Hi guys, welcome to another video, another problem. So tonight, kasi tonight, gabi ko na siya ginawa. I mean, medyo umaga pa naman. So this is our problem for tonight. So, madaming naku-confuse dito guys. So, let's start. Ayan. Magdodraw muna tayo guys, okay? Magdodraw muna tayo. So we're drawing this circuit board or diagram. Ayan. Yun, perfect guys, perfect. Plus V2 minus and this. I-mark na lang natin yung mga value as ganito para hindi nakakalito, di ba? Tama ba guys? 0.5 amps, 20 ohms, 10 volts at 60 ohms and 30 ohms. So yan. So find, hanapin natin dito is ang kanyang find current and find V2 which is here. So punta tayo sa current guys. So first step here is to mesh analysis. Okay. So imagine that magro-rotate tayong paganyan because electricity or current ganon is magro-rotate pa ganito. Parang paganyan yung dating. So ayan guys, ito pangalawa ganito. And ganyan. So meron nang binigay dito guys. So this is I1, this is I2, and this is I3. Tama ba guys? So ayun. I1, I2, and I3. So meron na tayong given guys. So given. Lagay natin dito. Meron tayong since lang guys para tutunan natin. Pag ganito yan, pababa. Ito naman pataas. So this is negative. So leaving out to guys. So pag ganito siya. So Is of 1, Is of 2 is equals to 0.5 amps. Ayan. Galing no? Pag ganun kasi siya guys. So ayan. Nagkasalubong dito guys. So Is of 2, ganyan. And then let's solve for, ngayon i-redraw na natin siya guys. Diba nakuha na natin yung Is of 2. This is Is of 2 guys. Part siya dito. Since dito pababa negative. Ito kasi papunta doon. So this is positive. So nilagay na natin siya dito Is of 2. Kasi tama yung flow niya. Gets ba guys? So ngayon i-redraw na natin siya dahil meron na siya. Tatanggalin na natin to. Ayan, tanggalin na natin yan guys. Magre-retain to, ganyan. So, i-ano na natin siya, i-mesh analysis na natin siya. Okay, so, dito na natin gagawin. Ganyan. So, 30 Is of 1 plus 20 Is of, wait lang guys. Is of 1 minus Is of 2. Kasi guys, ano yan eh, pag ano no, pag ganun yan eh. Pag ganun yan guys. Pag ganun na. Is of 2 plus 10 volts is equals to 0. So this is 30 Is of 1 plus 20 Is of 1 minus 20 Is of 2 is equals to negative 10. So yan na guys. Negative 10 dyan guys. And lastly, simplification which is this is 50 Is of 1 minus 20 Is of 2 is equals to negative 10. So yan, this is our equation 1. Equation 1. Because this is our equation, wait lang guys, equation 2 na to. This is our equation, hindi, this is equation 2. Kasi Is of 2. Para hindi kayo malito guys. This is equation 1. Okay. So, ayan. So, after nun guys, dito na tayo sa eyes of 3. Magpo-focus tayo dito. So, since bang negative guys, that's negative 10 volts. Since umiikot siya pa ganon, bang, that's negative. Tama ba? So, negative guys. And then 60 plus 60 eyes of 3 plus 30 eyes of 3. This is equals to 90 eyes of 3 is equals to 10. So, ayan. 10, then. So, yun guys. Pag ganun kasi yung ikot eh. Bang. Bang. So, yan. Okay guys, so yan, na-simplify na natin. Ngayon, we're gonna put it on matrix mode. So, ayan guys, drawing tayo ng ganyan para hindi tayo malito. And then another here. And syempre another here. Eyes of 1, eyes of 2, eyes of 3 para hindi rin kayo malito. Is equals to the voltage, mga voltage na dito. Parang ito, negative 10. This is 0.5 and this is 10. So ayan guys, hindi kayo malilito talaga dyan. So dito na tayo sa number 1 equation natin. So that's 50 negative 20 is negative 20 and 0. And equation 2 guys, 0 1 and then 0.5. And this is 0, 0, and then 90. Okay. So, calculate natin. Kunin ko lang yung calculator, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. So, ayan. Pasensya nyo na, guys. So, may nagtanong sa akin, saan daw nakuha tong 1? Okay. So, paano daw nakuha natin tong 1? So, ito yan, guys. So, dito sa eyes of 2. So, paano natin nakuha yan is, parang ganito yan, guys. Teka lang. Parang constraint yan, parang constant yan na may 1. Parang ganyan, 1 times, tapos eyes of k. K is ano guys the number of current. Parang to eyes of 2, eyes of 3, ganun. Is equals to eyes given. So, given kasi yung 0.5. So, yun. So, may 1 dyan guys. So, yan. Parang invisible 1 na ganun guys. So, yan. So, may calculator tayo dito guys. Ay. Mali yan guys, pagpasensya nyo na. So, Windows Control T. Yun no. So, after nun, iano natin siya sa dito, ulitin na natin 4 1 na lang 3 and 3. So, ayan, pagpasensya nyo, mali ito guys. So, ulitin natin guys, kung natin yung determinant 50 negative 20, tama. This is 0. This is 1 and this is 0. 50, 0, 0, negative 20, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So may mali tayo dito guys. This is supposed to be 0. 0 to guys. Nagkamali tayo dito. This is supposed to be 0. So ayan guys, ikunin na natin yung determinant nito. C matrix band 2 option 3 pang 4,500. So ang ating determinant is equals to 4,500. So kunin natin yung first natin, current. So paano natin kukunin yun guys? So punta tayo ulit ng 2 1, edit natin siya guys, diba? Ito 50, itong row na to 50 guys, diba? 50, 0, 0. Papalitan nyo lang siya nito, yung mga constant voltage nyo. So that's negative 10, that's 0.5, and that's 10. Incredible. AC option 2, option 3, and bang, that is 0. So ating determinant 2 naman guys is, okay, wait lang guys ha. 2, 1, at ibalik natin sa 50 ulit. 50, 0, and then 0. So ayan, nabalik na natin siya. Pero ito naman yung gagawin natin guys. Negative 10, 0.5, at 0. Yan, 0. Pwede na yan, pero kung may trust issue kayo, sige, 0 nyo na lang. So, ay hindi, mali guys, 10 pala. Yun, ganyan, nagkamali ako agad, 10. AC option baba 2, option 3, and bang. So this is 2,250. At ating determinant 3 naman ay hindi po, ate. Okay, so ating determinant 3 naman, 2, edit natin ulit yun guys. Ito yung matrabaho dito guys, na nakakabanas. Ulit-ulit kayo, ganyan no. Negative 10 to. Tapos ito 1 at 0.5. Diba? Pumapal to 0. 10. 0 at 10. Yan guys, 0 at 10. Tama ba? 0 and 10. Okay. So, AC option 2 and then 3. 500. So, 500 guys. So, ayan. Pwede na natin kunin ang kanyang eyes of 1, eyes of 2, and eyes of 3. Kung maarte kayo, meron na tayong eyes of 2 pero sige, verify lang natin kung tama yung ginawa natin guys. So, by the way, ganito formula niyan ganyan. So, 0 over 4,500, alam nyo na yan. That's 0 amps. Eyes of 2 naman guys is 2,250, 4,500. That is equals to 0.5. Ano kung tama, tingnan natin. Tama yan kasi meron ng eyes of 2. Dapat tatama yan. Ay gagi, mali guys. So 4,500 bang 1/2, so tama tayo. 0.5 amps nakuha natin. And then eyes of 3 naman guys is 500 over 4,500. Okay. So 1 over 9, that's 0.111 amps. Okay, so ayan na guys. Kuha natin itong mga sagot natin. Ganito natin. Dahil nakuha natin lahat ng current. Pero ang ating problem ay kunin din daw natin yung V2. So V2 is eyes of 2. So with a resistance of ganyan. So dito na lang. V is equals to IR. Very basic formula. Alam nyo na yan. Voltage ang hinahanap. We have the current of 0.5. And then the resistance of, sige guys, resistance natin ng 20. Si 20 yung doon 20. So voltage is equals to 10 volts. So yan. Thank you guys for watching. Ha!